Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign up on Freshworks. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, go to your browser and type freshworks.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now on this page, click on free trial button. Choose any one of the options you want to sign up into and click on free trial. Click on sign up with email. Fill the boxes with your first name, last name, work email, and phone number. And then click on sign up for free. Click on get started. Now go to your Gmail and click on activate account. Click on activate with Google. This is it. You have signed up on Freshworks. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.